Hi guys, this is Faizan Siddique and you are watching FB Tech Studio. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my new YouTube channel FB Tech Studio. I would like to give a short description about myself. So basically I'm a computer engineer. I graduated last year only from AIKTC college in 2019 only, and currently I'm working as a software developer in a German MNC. I have created this channel so that I can post videos related to programming and coding stuffs, where I'll be discussing with you guys what is the proper way to code, what should be there in your code, what should not be there in your code, what should be your proper strategy for solving any problem definition that comes before you. Now along with this, we'll also look into various algorithms and data structures, which is very important. Apart from this, from my next video I'll be starting a Java tutorial. So basically I'll be creating a playlist where I'll be covering a Java language, what is object oriented programming, what is Java, and all the things about Java. We'll start from the scratch. I'll try to explain each and everything to you. Basically this was all about me. This was about the intention why I wanted to make this channel. Logic is not everything. Along with the logic, you need to know some good stuffs also, some hacks also to apply with that logic. So don't worry guys, I am here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you. Together we'll do things. Okay, as this is my new channel, I want you guys to please show some love. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so that my videos will get to you at the earliest. Please do comment in the comment section below. Please share your views also. I'll also see to that. I'll also look into that, and nothing. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.